What's going on? Josh Pelland here. I wanted to take a little bit of time to show you around Infinity programs and what you get when you sign up. When you join, you'll get access to our resource hub, which, as you can see on the left-hand side here, has a bunch of resources to make sure that you're using the system to its full potential. And perhaps most importantly, you gain access to the Individualization Quiz. The Individualization Quiz is very thorough, so I'll only have time to show you a few questions, but this will give you an idea of what sorts of things the system will look to individualize for you. So it'll ask you some basic information about yourself. It'll ask you things like how many times per week that you would like to train. It'll ask you about your training goals. Within Infinity programs, there are 3 paths: muscle growth, powerlifting, and strength and size. You'll be able to customize your periodization based on guidelines that we give you. And also, given some of this stuff can be pretty advanced at times, there's the option to select I'm not sure, and that'll go with our recommended starting point. And in future programs, you can always build upon what you originally receive from there. It'll ask you specific things such as whether you like to perform the squat and deadlift in the same or separate sessions. Things like if you like your highest priority sessions early or late in the week. Ask about training frequency for each lift. As you can tell, it's very extensive. We're going to individualize training volume off the bat based on what seems to have worked best for you in the past. And then the system will improve over time in future programs, but the Individualization Quiz gets a starting point, and then it's also used to improve upon that starting point. So this is a quick preview of what an Infinity program might look like. In this case, we have a strength and size training cycle that is 5 times per week. It is separate in terms of the squat and deadlift. So there are many possibilities in terms of programming based on the preferences you indicate to it, based on your training goals. We're really excited about the new week types that we have. We have intro week, climb weeks. These climb weeks can be 2 or 3 weeks long by selecting this checkbox here. The attack week is a really exciting week to finish the block strong, and that can be followed by a reactive deload if you so wish. There are also brand new block types within Infinity programs. So in this specific case, we have a build block, a perform block, a test block, and a restore block. And we also have a brand new program analysis dashboard for you to visualize and understand what's going on. And we have plenty of resources so you understand all of this data and you can use it to inform the system to improve for you over time. Infinity is an incredible flexible system that is systematic, data-driven, and ultimately customized for you. And it's designed to improve over time to maximize your training results. We hope to see you inside.